Assalamu alaikum guys, you are watching CSC guide channel. Today I will tell you how you fill your university form. CSC university form means after you are applying for after you're filling submit form for Chinese government scholarship on Chinese government scholarship website, then you some universities have required that you want to also apply on university website. If you want to apply for Hawaii University, then after filling CSC form you must apply on Hawaii University portal. So today I will tell you how you fill Hawaii University portal. The university is having a theme like this in this whole page. So all these universities having same application form, but something is different. Means when you go to the upload section, document upload section form, some university needs Chinese government scholarship upload form, and some needs visa permit page, and etc. These only documents uploading form is a little bit different. Although all the otherwise things are same. So after login and making your account, I hope all of you know that how you make your account. So after login you will seeing like that. So click on online application option, and if you want to apply for Chinese government scholarship, then click on Chinese government scholarship. If you want to apply for Chinese school scholarship, means Hawaii University scholarship, then click on that option. And if you want to apply for Jasmine Jiangsu scholarship, click on that option. So we have applied on Chinese government scholarship, then click on that option and click on next. So if you applying for master, then click on master. Otherwise you are applying for doctors and apply for doctor, then click on doctor option. So I will apply for master. I will apply for. If you know, I am a civil engineer, so I am applying for civil engineering and transportation. So click on that option, select your major. If your major is not in the list, it means you cannot apply on this. So find and choose your major in which you got the acceptance or in which you are interested. So click on that option. I am applying transportation engineering, so click on that option, applying. So if after that upload your photo. So I have uploading the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan photo, though I have not any other photo like yet. So click on that option, and now fill your passport. I will fill the form like demo. Okay, you are understand. So you enter your family name on passport, which you have control C, control V. You are filling fill your form like actual. So if you have unmarried, then click on unmarried. Nationality Pakistani. So I am from Pakistan, so like that's why I am select Pakistan. DOB, click on DOB and select your province. Demo, write down the city and province. Native language which you have. I am from Pakistan, so my native language is Urdu. If you are from India, then your native language is Hindi, and if you are Bangladesh, etc. If you are applying for the main thing, lot of boys making mistake on that option. If you are applying for master degree, then you select your highest level of education is bachelor. Sometimes you select you think that my highest level is a master, so you are applying for master and select also master, so that's wrong. If you are applying for master, click on bachelor option. Religion Islam. If you have another religion when you are applying for select your own. Employee in which you are affiliated, means in which institute you are graduated, or say you are working right down right there. It's just formality, not an conditional not an compulsory. So occupation, choose your position to a student or teacher, etc. Physical status, health status, pH, physically fit. Okay, physically fit. So you can correct that spelling. So I will no time, lot of time you are busy lot now. So hobby, sports, cricket, etc., badminton, etc. Enter your passport number, enter your expiry date. Okay, and save and next. I am giving you like demo like this, so you will fill your correct information. If you have language proficiency, if you have Chinese HSK, sometimes some universities when you filling the first option is Chinese language. So Chinese, when you have Chinese when you have Chinese option, then click on the none if you have not any HSK. If you have an HSK, then click on you have level which you have HSK 4, HSK 3. If you have not, then just write down there English proficiency. English proficiency. Okay, I will hope you understand. I'm not looking at my spelling because I am little bit busy, so I'm wearing. If you have IELTS, then click IELTS, GMAT, GRE, etc. If you have, write your score there, and advisor name. If you have acceptance, then write down the advisor name, advisor contact, email, at phone number. So if you have not, then simply save and next. English proficiency. Oh, choose English proficiency. Excellent. If you have when you have option Chinese option, then click on none if you not having any HSK. So sorry. Study plan. The next option is education and employment, in which give your history, in which you having passed attended year. If you are not remembering remember your attended year, then don't worry about that, and suppose and imagine that which years you have entered in your class, and if your attended date is that in the date in which write your transcript and degree, etc. Select that date. Demo is a school name in which you are graduated. Field of study means if I am got my degree in civil engineering technology, then I will write down civil engineering, BSc, MSc, etc. Okay, and write down. This is formality, not taken serious. So write your here demo is I will fill the demo. You will must fill your name, school name, and exact information about you have. If you have copy of passport, first upload the copy of passport. I will giving you a demo, so I will upload a photo because time is too short. If I am uploading if I upload the passport copy, then it takes too much time because passport copy have 1 MB size, so it's take too much time. Highest diploma means recent degree which you have attended, which you got. If you not got yet your highest degree, then upload your provisional certificate from your previous graduated college, and upload your highest diploma school certificate. Transcript means the detailed of your study background. The most recent and visa permit, that's the difficult page for uploading page files. So if you if you applying for first time, then you have not recent visa or residence permit in China. So without uploading this, you cannot go to the next option. So you must have upload something there. I will confirm from the ISO. They ask them upload your passport home page on this option. This is confirmed, not take tension about that. So upload their visa residence means if you are upload home passport home page, upload, and a 5 to 6 in your passport 5 to 6 page number page you have a visa blank visa page, also upload there if you want. Otherwise it will not necessary. Study plan, upload your study plan which you make. I am just giving you you demo, so that's why I am uploading a pic like this. So don't worry about that. This man uploading one photo. So uploading there recommendation letter which you are make from a professor or associate from your previous university or graduate college, and make your health report in which the physical examination form which you make, upload there, and language certificate. Upload your language certificate. If you are applying for major in English, then upload your English proficiency certificate, and if you are applying for Chinese, then upload your HSK, Chinese HSK. If you are not if you are applying for Chinese and having not HSK, then also upload your English proficiency certificate. Abstract or content of the thesis. If you have thesis abstract, if you have thesis, then if your paper published, then upload your thesis. This is for PhD, and almost masters have not any abstract or PhD published papers. So if you have, upload, otherwise leave it blank, and next option. So after that this option will be appeared, and fill your page. Okay, in this is just formality, not necessary. Giving you demo, phone number, email. I will giving you demo, you are filling your own at gmail.com. I will. So if you have not any information, then give you conditional, means your relatives, your mother, fathers, and brothers, and which you have. It's just formality. Name, phone number, and position in which they work, if you have farmer, etc. These kind of. Financial supporter is that in which you have support you in China. It's just formality, giving your father, brother, etc. Granted telephone, email, application, organization in which they work. Suppose that which you have. Yeah. So granted in China, charging emergency case means when you have go there and unfortunately incident happened, then in which they can contact, which person they contact. So give that option in which your family you have the educated man. Give their detail there, means when they contact they will response. Email their organization, means in which they work. If he is a teacher, then in which college is he a teacher, and if you are doing job, in which department he is doing job, right in the organization. And address, and position means if you are clerk, etc. Teacher, student, etc. which you have option. And click on save. This form have just formality. You do not think that what my own, no, I just write correct information or not. So force it is not take it easy. And click save and next. So the additional information, contact info. This is the important portion, because when you are select, they will contact you on this address. First, home country address. You write down your home country address, street address which you have. You feel like this, giving your street address which you have, in which post can be reached. A phone number, enter your phone number with your country code plus 92, my country code. So if you have in China, then plus 86 you have, and etc. Which postal code you have. City and province, mobile code, city, country, and zip code. If I'm living in Pakistan, my city postal code is 31200. If your postal code address is the same like the address which you are filling above, so same. And if you have WeChat ID, then let's say fill in this. If you have WeChat number, then put your WeChat number there, put your WeChat ID there. If you are notice collect, your professor, your brother studied at Hawaii University, then collect, and no one select that option. And if you are not collecting there, you not having any person, then click on their deliver to home address. For receiver name, put your receiver name, receiver phone number, receiver province and country, receiver country. So giving the street address, etc. Yes, but giving correct detail there, because when you are selected there, they will send your document, means visa, etc. These type of documents which are necessary for the Chinese go to Chinese embassy in your country. They will also all documents send in your that postal address which you are giving here. Demo, it's all demo. I will giving just your information. Okay, save and next. Now after save and next, you will have to show the finally save and submit option like this. Submit the option and note your application number and download the form. And Hawaii University have just online apply, so daily, no, daily you can check your status in progress, final result, unreleased, initial review, accepted, etc. They will show to by time. So daily you will check your status when they change. Okay, I hope you will like this video. So good luck to you. Allah Hafiz. See you soon in next video.